Hi, welcome to this video. My name is Dimitri Ababare. Guys, if you are from Nigeria and you are looking for a way to switch or convert your Facebook ad account from a postpaid to a prepaid, there is no way to do that. Okay, I don't know of other countries, though other countries might be giving the privilege. I have a friend in India, he was able to switch his postpaid account to a prepaid account, but in Nigeria, yeah, no way. Okay, so I'm saying this because in 2022 I contacted the Facebook customer support that I want to switch my postpaid ad account to a prepaid. So they told me I should give them time to work on it. I keep checking on them since 2022 till 2023. Later, I was advised to create a new ad account. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create a new Facebook ad account, which is going to be a prepaid. Okay, so follow me and let me show you how to do that. All right, the first thing you have to do, okay, I'm going to advise you to do that on your PC or your MacBook. Okay, so that your features of Facebook Business Manager will be shown to you. Okay, so once you do that, open your browser and type in business dot facebook.com. Enter. Okay, once you type in business.facebook.com, this is the welcome page you are going to see. Facebook is going to welcome you with this screen, mental business suite. Okay, so here you are going to click on settings. Once you click on settings, this is the settings page. You click on business settings. This settings, once you click on it, it's going to open a new tab on your browser. Okay, all right. So this is my company business manager account. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use my client's business manager account because I've already exhausted my ad account. Okay. I think let me check my limit. Okay, my account manager, my ad account creation limit is 5. Is it? But I've already make use of 4. Because of what's happened in Nigeria, as we can no longer use Naira card code, our Naira card to make purchase for dollars, products and services. So these two accounts has been disabled by Facebook because I'm unable to pay the fee that is incurred on this account. I'm unable to pay for it because I can no longer use my card to make payments. Okay, so with this now, I can no longer create an ad account. Okay, so I'm not going to use this my company manager account. I'm going to switch to my client's account. Okay, Okay, so once you open your business settings, this is what you're going to see. This is what it's going to display. So you have to scroll down to the account. Under the account, we have sub menus there, we have pages, and we have add account. So you click on this add account to create a new add account. And before that, I will advise you to always check your business information so that you can know your add account limit. You click on business info. Okay, all right, so this is the add account creation limit to my client's business manager account. So this account now, with this account, you are entitled to create 3 add accounts. Okay, so let me go to the add account. Click on add account to create a new add account. So luckily, my clients have only one add account here, so it's remaining 2. So to create a prepaid Naira account, what you have to do is to click on this menu here. Once you click on it, so you are going to see this drop down, these 3: add an add account, request access to an add account, create a new add account. So this is the one we are going to click on. We click on create a new add account. Clicking on create a new add account will enable you to create a fresh add account. Okay, so let's go. Click on it. So put in the name there, Naira account, and please make sure your time zone is GMT +1 Africa Lagos, and make sure your currency is Nigeria Naira. Okay, please don't make this mistake. Make sure the time zone is set to GMT +1 Africa Lagos, currency Nigeria Naira. Okay, so the next thing is to click on next. Okay, who will this add account be used for? This add account will be used for my business. Okay, so you now click on create. Okay, add people and set permission. All right, so here you're going to click on the name you see on the left hand side there. So that should be your name. You click on it, and this manage permission, you activate it. Full control is going to manage the other accounts, so you activate it also. So make sure you activate all these buttons and click on assign. See, account account successfully created. Add payment info. So you click on add payment info. All right, so the location and currency, make sure your country and region is set to Nigeria, and make sure your currency is Nigeria Naira, and your time zone, make sure is GMT +1 Lagos time. So after that, is if everything is set, you click on next, and here, so this is here you need to pay a very good attention to this place. As you can see now, they are telling you to add payment information. Okay, business task, there's nothing wrong with this. You don't need to fill in this one. The business and tax info is optional. Okay, here, this add payment information, as you can see, the first one is debit or credit, while the second one is Naira payment. So I will advise you, please and please, do not choose the first one which says debit or credit. That one is a postpaid account. So please choose the second one that say Naira payment with MasterCard. which is going to be a payu. If you don't know payu is a payment gateway located in South Africa. So Facebook used them as an aggregators for collecting payments from Nigerians and some other Africa countries. Okay, so please select this second payment method. Okay, Naira payment with Mastercard, Visa, payu, and you click on next. So that's information. You skip it. Okay, so now if you are seeing this page now, this ad form, that means you have successfully created a prepaid Naira ad account. Here, the way prepaid work is, okay, as you can see now, you now have a total of 4,005 in prepaid. Now they're telling you to fund your prepaid account. You know, postpaid allow you to do advertisement ahead. Okay, like if you are using a postpaid now, if your account is set to postpaid, Facebook or other advertisement company will allow you to start running your advert till your money reach a certain threshold. They're going to pause it. But but with a prepaid is pay as you go. The amount you fund your account with is the amount you are going to use to do advert. Okay, so if you are seeing this page now, that means you have successfully created a prepaid ad account. So here in this page now, they are telling me to fund my account with the amount I'm going to use to run my advert. So this one is just an example, 4,005. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, so please take continue to complete your Naira payment with PayU. Please note that the payment page will be open on a new window and it closes automatically at the completion of payment. Ensure the pop-up ad blocker is enabled. Okay, so if you want to fund your prepaid account, so once you put in of the amount you want to use to fund your prepaid account. So once you type in the amount, maybe it's 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, any amount. Once you click on next, so this is the next page. Once you see this page now, you click on continue. So once you click on continue now, it's going to open a new page. So this new page is where you're going to put in your card information. Okay, all right. So to fund your prepaid account, so you type in your card here, your card number, your card name, the month, expiring month, and the expiring year. Yeah, so once you do that, you click on pay. Once you pay, if your payment is successful, you're going to see payment is successful, and it's going to exit and take you back to your billing page. On your billing page, you're going to see the amount you fund your account with there. Okay, so from there you can start running your adverts. Okay, so and the sweetest part about this prepaid ad account is that you can fund your account with your VAV card. Get, so this payu payment gateway allow you to fund your account with a VAV card. So it's not a must. It's not necessary to have a Visa or Mastercard. Okay, unlike postpaid, postpaid, with a postpaid, you must use a Visa or Mastercard. But this prepaid account, you can use your VAV card. So I'm very sure everybody have access to a VAV card, and a VAV card is made in Nigeria. Okay, so that is all about creating a Facebook prepaid account. So that is it. So please, this is going to be the end of this video. And please, if you find this video helpful, please like the video, share, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, all right, I'm going to take to my billing page to show you how the page is going to look like once you fund Once you fund your account, the amount you're going to see there. So let me take you to the page and see how it's going to be. Okay. So okay, this is the account I just create. So to go to your, for you to view your billing page, I think you know this page. This is your ad account. This is where you create your new ad account. So see that same page. So if you want to view your billing page, it's either you view the billing page via this place inside the mental business suite, or you come to this place where you create your ad account. Just click on this button here. Once you click on it, it's going to display a drop down view payment method. All right, so this is how your prepaid dashboard is going to be. So anytime you fund your account, the amount you fund your account with is going to reflect here. If you fund your account with 2,000 naira, the 2,000 naira is going to reflect here. And if it's 10,000 or 1 million naira, is going to reflect here. So next time, if you want to fund your account, what you have to do is to click on add fund, So you put in the amount and make sure don't select this first option, select second option. You click on next. So that is it. You click on continue and you follow the prompt there. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Please, if you find it very useful to you, if you find it useful and helpful, please subscribe to this page, like my video, share the video with your friends, and as you do so, God will continue to bless you. So thank you. I'm going to see you on my next video.